Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. Today, we are going to use Dawat Pulao Basmati rice to make prawn pulao. The shrimp pulao is going to be soak Dawat Pulao Basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. After that, take twice the quantity of water. Here I have got 5.5 cups of water. In this, add salt. Make sure the water is like sea salt water. Now in this, we are going to add the whole masalas, and here I am going to add fennel and pepper, and also I am going to add a little bit of curry leaf here. Here we are not going to use the mint leaf, we are going to use curry leaf and coriander leaf. In this, add just one tomato, add half a cup of coconut milk. Now you got this nicely flavored water which we are going to put in the rice cooker. Add this water, everything into rice cooker. The 3 cups of basmati rice that has been soaked, add to this, and add around 1.5 spoon of coconut oil. Mix all of this. When you have a perfect basmati rice, you have no worries. Just switch on the rice cooker and let it cook. Rice is getting cooked, but how do we make this prawns masala? Add oil. Just add the prawns. We're going to add the masalas on top of it. So just in the oil, lot of prawns. That is what Sunday special biryani will be. In this, add ginger garlic paste, green chilli, curry leaf, the coriander powder, cumin powder, red chilli powder, a little bit of that biryani masala or garam masala you can add to this. Add some brown onion. Brown onion will give that sweet flavor. Of course, the prawns are excellent with mild sweetness. Now, just saute these prawns in this oil for not more than 2-3 minutes, and make sure that the masala is all dry and nice. In the rice cooker, you can see much of the moisture is already absorbed. Don't need to mix. Just put these prawns on top and scrape off whatever the masala is there on top of this. Put the lid on and wait for the rice cooker to trip off on its own. That's when you just mix it and serve. You will have this awesome prawn pulao that you made with Dawat Pulao Basmati. The next one is the rice cooker biryani. Look at the way the prawns, they were roasted and perfect. The flavoring of the rice with the coconut and everything, this is going to be excellent. Look at the rice, so perfect. And this one was made with our Dawat Pulao Basmati and the prawn pulao.